Now coming to the second section of this webinar, of this presentation, the paid ads. So whatever we have done till now, all of that was completely free. It doesn't cost anything to post on Facebook. It does not cost anything to make a profile on Facebook, to make a Facebook page and interact with the audience. But it has been seen recently that the organic reach is comparatively lesser as compared to what it should be. For example, in a lot of pictures, you saw that I was getting, I mean, around 300, 400 people were viewing it, but my page actually has around more than 1,000 people, 1,000 likes. So it doesn't show it to all of them. There are many small tips and tricks to get your post visible, like sharing it on your personal profile, tagging your friends or and family, or asking them to share. But the main purpose of Facebook is that Facebook wants you to invest in Facebook ads. That's why the organic reach has decreased to a huge extent, and Facebook is focusing more on paid ads. And believe me, the results from paid ads is extremely amazing. And we'll be talking about that in detail, why it is amazing and why I'm such a big fan of Facebook ads. So again, why Facebook ads? Why are we talking about Facebook ads and not LinkedIn ads or any other ads? So how Facebook ads operate is that whenever somebody is on Facebook, like we are on Facebook and we do anything, we travel anywhere, we like something, we post about something, we discuss something, we like some pages, we comments, we make some comments, we have some discussions, healthy, unhealthy discussions on Facebook. So Facebook is tracking all of those activities. And based on that activity, it creates a user persona of you with which it is able to direct the ads to you. So Facebook ads are very precise. Facebook ads are very neatly targeted. And a lot of times you would feel that you were maybe shopping for a bag or shopping for a phone or a laptop or anything of that sort. And when you come onto Facebook next, you see that you are being shown ads of that thing, that product. So that is something called a Facebook pixel. So there's the Facebook pixel is installed onto their websites. Any website you can install it on, and it tracks all the people that come to their website. Like suppose you go to Amazon, and Amazon obviously has Facebook pixel installed on it. So when you come back to Facebook, it is able to track you and show specific ads to you. So that is how precise it is. I'll give you another example. So suppose you are a user, and or maybe this is just a third person who is into digital marketing, who has recently liked a new car page, who was having some discussion about cricket on Facebook a while back. And very recently, somewhere or the other, he read an article related to teeth, related to dentistry on which website or blog Facebook pixel was installed. And that pixel was able to bring him back to Facebook, and now he's a potential target for all of these Facebook ads. Suppose if somebody wants to redirect an ad for digital marketing or that particular car or something related to cricket, so they can always target him. So that is how Facebook works. Now for the marketer, it's very important that you show ads to people who actually want your products. And as a user, it is very useful because if I am actually looking for something and I've gone to another website and I see an ad which is directed towards me and showing me a lot of different options, then I would obviously prefer that.